We got this Apple Pencil because the reason why we got the I believe this is a manual. We're not gonna go through it because we don't do that here. We just unbox. You do have a plastic. The pen is floating. It may come with extra tips. Not tips, but like legit tips. Because baka napupudpud to. Hindi ko alam. Malay mo, pencil, lapis to. Let's check it out. Maybe there's stickers. Oh my god, there are no stickers. Wow, so sad. So this is the first Apple product that I have unboxed that doesn't come with stickers. I know you guys are looking for the videos of these stuff right before you buy them. And I can tell you, just by having this for a mere couple of minutes, I can already say it's definitely worth what you're paying for it. Get something new, get something that's the current gen, and it will reward you years down the line. What's up guys? Welcome back. So I'm not done with my unboxing as I also have the unboxing of the Apple Pencil. We got the Apple Pencil because the reason why we got the iPad is because Dell will use it for school. And nothing says using a tablet for school than using a stylus. And in this case, the Apple Pencil. Wala na palang gumagamit ng term na stylus. Napaka 1994 nun with the O2s and the earlier tablets of the second millennium. This is truly a step up. If you guys have watched a few videos on this and also the keynote by Apple, you'll know that this is a revolutionary product when it comes to being a stylus, to being what it is. So there we just pulled out the protective film. It's very easy to remove. And here, you'll find that there is a tab. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but that allows you to pull the box. So inside, we have here the documentation. I believe this is a manual. We're not gonna go through it because we don't do that here. We just unbox. And here it is. I'm gonna hold it on one side. I'm not sure if you can see it since it's so white. It's all white in the box. You do have a plastic holding thingy. You have a piece of plastic that allows you to pull the pen out of the box. And it makes it look like the pen is floating. So we're gonna remove the box and we're going to remove the protective plastic film. It has it all the way around. I mean, for those of you that are the type to not remove the plastics on their devices, I think you can leave this on. This is the Gen 2 pencil, as it is not the one that has a removable back piece. The Gen 1 Apple Pencil, this part you can remove to expose a male lightning adapter, and that is to charge your Apple Pencil and to connect it with your Gen 1 devices. With the Gen 2, it's simply putting this, it has a flat side, on the sensor that comes with your iPad Pro or iPad Air. So for the newer gen iPads, the second gen Apple Pencil is the way to go. That's basically it. There's nothing to it. There's nothing that you open. There's nothing that you pull. Let's check this part because it may come with extra tips. Not tips, but like legit tips because baka napupudpud to. Hindi ko alam. Malay mo, pencil, lapis to. But yeah, let's check it out. Maybe there's stickers. Oh my god, there are no stickers. Wow, so sad. So this is the first Apple product that I have unboxed that doesn't come with stickers. So there is a graphic for how to remove the tip. So basically you twist the tip. So it's replaceable. It's a replaceable tip. Are there any replacements in the box? There are none. So that's it. I guess that's it for the unboxing of the Apple Pencil. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna be doing an in-depth review of how usable this thing is for us. Well, for Dell, it will be different as she will be using this to highlight. For me, if Dell is in her downtime, I'm gonna use this to graphic design a few of my logos. As you know, I've been using Canva for all of my stuff and it gets pretty stock. I mean, with my current sticker, with my current vlogging sticker, people have called it a bootleg 2K graphic. The thing is, I just got that from Canva, man. I don't play 2K, so I wasn't necessarily inspired by the font being like 2K. So hopefully with this pencil and just a bit of my doodling, I'm able to make something nice for myself as far as a sticker and a logo is concerned. So yeah, very excited to use this. So we're going to now pair it with the iPad. Maybe I can show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I'm back. We have here the iPad Air in all its glory. So on the iPad Air, careful not to drop it, you'll see that there is a piece that looks like it's a different material. It is, because there is no aluminum in it. It's more of a plastic-like material, and that is where the Apple Pencil will stick onto. And then we're just gonna put the Apple Pencil. It's magnetized. It's magnetized. It has a very strong magnet. And there we go. There's a graphic of the Apple Pencil. We hit continue. Try scribble. Use Apple Pencil to handwrite in any text to convert it into type. Give Scribble a try by handwriting some text into the box below. We'll do that later. Explore double tap. We've seen this already in the part where I helped Del decide. So yeah, we're gonna hit done, and that's it. You've got the Apple Pencil registered to your iPad. And again, like I said, it's a very strong magnet. I would say you can keep this in your bag and not worry about it too much, or not. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe not, because it's not a fragile device naman. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe that will work. That's a rig that will work inside your bag. But yeah, it's magnetized. It tells you the battery of the Apple Pencil. And I think, yes, it does charge the pencil as well as you place the pencil on that dock. So that is not only a dock to pair, it is also a dock to charge. So right now, the Apple Pencil is at 85%. We're gonna let Del get started on this. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot, and hopefully you guys have decided to get this. I know you guys are looking for the videos of these stuff right before you buy them. And I can tell you, just by having this for a mere couple of minutes, I can already say it's definitely worth what you're paying for it. Get something new, get something that's the current gen, and it will reward you years down the line. See you guys. Bye-bye.